a day. And it's super exciting. I'm gonna show you how to do it. And basically $250 a day and like basically almost zero effort. Pretty freaking cool. It's a new passive income technique that allows you to be anywhere in the world and run a fully functioning business in minutes. No experience necessary. None. You could be a baby 100-year-old person in Kansas. Not like everybody in Kansas is 100 years old. And this would still work for you. If you're a baby in Australia, maybe you have parents that can help you out if you can't read yet. It's okay. Basically, you don't need a business or an art degree. You don't really need anything at all. Just a computer with internet access. It's that easy. Now, what's new? This magic technique that I'm talking about? I'll get into that in just a second. But before I do, I'd like to welcome you to the channel. My name is Andrew Cartwright. I'm here to help you get money, invest it, and leverage it. I can relate to where you are because I've been broke and homeless to multi-millionaire 4 different times and locked in some pretty serious success by founding 32 companies in 17 industries, bought 17 and exited 5 times. Right now, we're doing Epic 99. We're buying 99 successful baby boomer businesses, and we'd love you to be part of it. I put up the capital for some of these companies, and you'll own 81%, and I'll own 19%, and I don't want anything to do with it. Grab your... anything to do with it. Grab your stock down below if you're in Spotify. And you're gonna click on that. Once you've created your Spotify store, then you're going to copy and paste the store admin URL, like I'm showing you right now. Just super easy stuff. Then you're gonna paste it and hit save. It's really easy to set up and go through. It does a really good job of walking you through everything. What's really cool is that you can get a Spotify discount by going through Build Your Store, and you get access to basic plans. So then you're just gonna hit access and it'll take you. You do have to pay $1 for a 30-day trial, but again, you can earn up to 250 times that every day, so it should hopefully pay for itself. After registering the AutoDS, I just went ahead and picked Use AI to generate just so we can see what it does. And then fashion and apparel, like the niche that we picked in the Build Your Store. And then once you've logged in and everything, it'll take you to the dashboard where you're able to see everything. So once you find something, like I just picked these random socks, so just import draft. Then that way it'll show you how it's set up through your store. And then once you have everything set up through AutoDS, then you're going to go back to buildyourstore.ai and then of business model. With a simple setup process, personal product recommendations, and no initial cost, it's the perfect choice for anyone who is wanting to make $250 a day with only 10 minutes of work put in. Whether you're new to e-commerce or a seasoned